Right, the 44th annual OB Street Fair and Chili Cook-Off is happening today on Newport Avenue.
It's not too late to get in on all of the fun. Bowe Fertig is there before the party kicks off at 10 o'clock this morning with a snazzy jacket. What's going on, Bo?
Wow, cool.
Well, guys, you got to keep them guessing, right? And I've worn this one before, but today, with the weather kind of heating up a little bit, that black jacket was just a little too hot, a little too warm, so we decided to lighten it up with a jacket like this. But today, it is going to be a great day here in OB. We're joined by Barbara, who's going to tell us all the fun and exciting things happening. 22 chili cookers, 200 vendors. What type of vendors are going to be here, Barbara?
Oh, all kinds of different ones, clothes, jewelry, leather things, stuff like that. And then also that we have Artist Alley, and there's a lot of art that's being sold with that they make themselves. So that's really fun. And we've got lots of different food things, so lots of things to pick from.
And we also have live music as well. Talk about that.
Well, we have two different bands. We have one at the top of Newport, and then we have one down by the pier. And it's going to be music starting at 11 o'clock, going on till 7:30. Really good music. You should come out and hear that. At the first one, the first stage you go to, there's going to be a photo op where you can get your picture done and enter yourself into a raffle for all kinds of gift cards for businesses here.
Is that free?
Beach. Yeah, that's free.
Very nice.
So the chili part is $25 to taste all 22 of these, and believe me, it's really fun and really an experience. And also we have a mural that's being painted, and you can buy a square for $25 and be part of Ocean Beach history. We've got two murals that are going. One of them celebrating the 100-year anniversary of the Women's Club, so that's a fun one there too. There's also a Family Fun Center right over on the beach at Saratoga Park, which then the kids aren't going to beg to go home because they're bored. So it's a lot of fun. We've got a lot of great things going on.
It's a family-friendly, furry-friendly event.
It is, correct. But you might not want to bring your furry friends because it gets kind of busy.
It does, and it's a free event as well. You just have to pay for the chili. 22 cookers, 2 different divisions. It sounds like a pro and amateur division.
Correct.
Very nice.
Yes.
And is there a special chili that you always crave?
That's hard to say. I like kind of some spicy ones. I like to test them all.
Oh, very nice, very nice. These gentlemen are preparing for the big day here. I know, Jason. Come on over here, Jason. I know these guys. You know, half the battle is just looking good before the big chili contest, and you guys are making this happen today with this beautiful art. Talk about today's event and kind of what it means to you guys.
Today's event's 9 years now that I've been doing this chili cook-off. Each year I get a little bit better. We're going to do shaka chili today. It's a pineapple habanero. It's got a little bit of Hawaiian flavor. We got some tri-tip, pineapple, habanero, chilies. Oh, it's going to be so good. What it means to me, it's a great time to get back to the community. Yeah. I'm out of breath. I got a lot of customers that they get all excited about my chili. They like to come down and try it. It's the one time that I get to cook chili for everybody with this beautiful backdrop.
Right.
And be with my homies.
Very nice. Well, good luck to you the rest of the day, man.
Thank you, my friend.
We're out here, 44th Annual Street Fair Chili Cook-Off. It is going to be a packed event. Actually, I want to get Barbara because parking obviously is very congested at this time of year, whether it be a regular day or a chili cook-off. Street Fair, talk about parking.
Okay, so if you're coming into Ocean Beach, like from the 5, take off on SeaWorld Drive, and on the corner of Pacific Highway, there's a lot. It's called the Sun Runner. It's free to park there. We have a trolley that runs from 9:30 in the morning till 9 at night. And the really cool thing about that, the trolley's free too. So if you go do some shopping and you want to get rid of some stuff in your car, you can just take the trolley back and come on back down again. It's fun just to even ride the trolley. But we also have a bicycle valet, so you can ride your bike down, and we park it for you. And
very nice.
That's pretty good.
And the event goes from 10 to 8 today, guys, but get here early because it's going to get packed quickly. We'll send it back to you guys at the desk.
Gosh, pineapple habanero chili sounds so good.
That sounds really good.
Sounds like there's a little kick to it, but ooh, that made me hungry. That sounds good. Bo, thanks.
Some Parmesan cheese toast. Or
Parmesan
sourdough
cheese toast
bread.
With pineapple
Yeah.
habanero chili.
Yeah.
I'll have to try it
Or
to
sourdough.
feel better about it.
Sourdough toast.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud.
I like to put Fritos in my chili.
Hey, oh yeah, that's a winner there.
That's the best.
That's a winner. That's yes.